Ready for some cleaning motivation? Let's get to it!
I'm Stephanie and I'm a stay-at-home mom of a 2-year-old boy, and I'm super passionate about living well on less. Whether it's saving on home decor, organization, or cleaning, all can be done on a budget.
Honestly, I love a clean home. However, I don't like being the one who has to do the cleaning. But
a simple way to clean your home is not to have a schedule, but more of a guide that you make into a routine. It takes time to create a habit, and having a guide helps stay on track. I like to spend only 30 minutes on doing a daily cleanup and 15 to 20 minutes doing some zone cleaning, where I only focus on one area of my home a day. Included in my daily chores is laundry. I'm not a fan of it, but it has to get done. There are 3 steps when doing laundry. You wash, you dry, and you put away. The last step is always the hardest. When I do all 3, I have way less to work with at folding time. Cleaning does not have to be a drag. Get your kiddos involved and allow them to help you in their own way. The more that they help, the more accepting they will be to have chores when they get older. Can you put your dirty clothes in the dirty hamper? Can you put them? Good job. Thank you. Can you give me 5? Good job. Folded some of these items over and over, but we got it done. The way I get motivated to start cleaning is by starting with what is the hardest thing to tackle, but will also keep me motivated to see other areas in my home clean. Most of the time, that is making my bed, and it's a small investment that instantly makes the bedroom just look cleaner and neater, and it motivates me to see other areas clean too. Cleaning can be very overwhelming, but toss the big picture and shift your focus from this entire place is a disaster to I can deal with one thing at a time, and make time for what truly matters. Mondays are my kitchen day, and this is the easiest day because my daily duties already involve most of the cleaning to be done in the kitchen. Every morning I will clean the dishes, I will unload and reload the dishwasher.
We were conversing into the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now.
Life right now is just like this.
I will never be awesome at cleaning because I'm not naturally a want to clean person, but this guide has actually helped me stay on track, and I do what I can as I can. For the things I didn't get around to during the week, I will leave it for Saturday, which is my day to really catch up on everything that I just couldn't get to. Found that when I'm really intentional about cleaning the dish I just used right away and put it in the dishwasher right away, I have way less dishes waiting for me in the sink. Of course, reality is that I don't always make intentional choices, but every day is a new day to try again. I have been using my DIY disinfecting wipes so that I can disinfect my countertops, and then I go back and clean with another DIY natural cleaner that helps clean after sanitizing my countertops, and I'll do the same for my stovetop. If you're interested in how I made my DIY disinfecting wipes, I do have a video that you can watch on my channel, and also I have another video that shows you how I make other DIY natural home cleaners. On Tuesdays, I work in the living room. I pick up all of Ezra's toys and give the rug a quick vacuum, and I will dust all the surfaces. I don't strive to have a spotless or a Pinterest-worthy home. I strive for happiness. It's totally okay to feel like you need an off day, a break, a lazy day to take time for yourself, but I don't want to stay there. I want to refresh my soul so that I can refresh my home. I don't always get to do everything, but a tidy enough home leaves room to make happy memories with my family. On Wednesdays, it's bedroom day, and this is not at all a deep cleaning day. This is just a tidy up, make the bed super quick, vacuum, and remove any crazy clutter. I will take the sheets and throw them in the laundry. On Thursdays, I clean the bathrooms. I really dislike cleaning the bathroom. It's the least thing I want to clean ever. What motivates me to clean it is my why. A question I asked myself a while ago: why do I want to clean home? I listed 3 main reasons, and I put them somewhere where I could see them every day. And every time I lack motivation, I can remind myself of why I keep doing it. On Fridays, I declutter and organize either the hallway, the entryway, or any closets, and I also take this time to take down any decor items that are no longer in season.
We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave.
Saturdays, I prep. I do meal planning, a grocery list, and catch up on any of the duties that I didn't get to do during the week.
I will let my guard down.
Sundays, I do not clean. I give myself some grace, and this is practically my day off, and I use it to spend time with my family and also get some church time in. With a little one in the house, I will never have this house spick and span, but that's okay because I want my home to be clean enough to be healthy and dirty enough to be happy.